FFG Mom. Today we are going to make pony bead flowers. This is what you need for this. Okay, I've already melted some so they're ready. I don't know, can the cameraman see? Okay, you're just taking regular little pony beads. You can pick them up at the craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere. I did mine in cupcake tins, but I've used parchment paper so they don't stick. And then you just make whatever kind of design you want, and then you're going to put the beads in the oven at somewhere between 375 and 400 for about 10 to 12 minutes, just depending on how hot your particular oven goes. I do suggest turning on your ventilation, your vent hood to, get rid of the smell. Basically, I just had used 6 of one color and 1 of another and did the flower. Of course, this one decided it wanted to be unique, but this is what that would have turned into. So I'm going to move this out of our way. And I took mine out and set them on a cooling tray for a few minutes. They cool off really fast, so it's not really a big deal. What we're going to do is we're going to take the hot glue gun. Make sure it's coming out there. Put a drop of glue on the back. And this one. And we're going to be securing a paper clip to the back. Might put a little bit more glue on the back just to kind of make sure it's on there good. I have my glue gun on low temp, so therefore it's not hot enough to melt the flour again. Okay, now we have it on a paper clip, so you could do it that way. It's set on paper. Wait, it didn't stick again. You can use a magnet, which this one has got a self-adhesive side. This magnet is a little too big for this one, but this is the first one I came across. Probably need to make a bigger flower. See this one? You have your magnet on the back, so therefore you can hold notes on your refrigerator. And the last one we're going to do, I cut a piece of ribbon. That's probably 12 or so inches, give or take. Fold the ribbon over. Let's see if I can, well, you know what, I'll just do it side to side. Give it a little bit of your ends trimmed. Then I'm just going to loop this, a little bit of a knot in the middle, just to give you something to anchor it. Then we're going to put yet another drop of glue on the back. Take that knot and put it in the glue. Just be careful when you if you touch it, because even low temp glue is hot. What? Use this to stick it down in there. I want to move. Okay, here, let's see. Make sure you kind of get your ribbons down in the similar of a place. Just a little more on the back right here. That way you're going to get those 2 pieces of ribbon to hold together. Of course, I'm just using a paper clip to kind of get it set in place the way I want it. Okay, now see, this one has ribbons, so now as I show you, can use one for a magnet. You can use the one with the ribbons as a placeholder in any book. So just put the ribbons between the pages. You have your flower at the top. You can use the one on the paper clip, you know, clip it in place somewhere. Put it in your journal to mark your space, in your favorite book. Just whatever you would like to do. It's just a quick and easy little craft you can do with your children with summer coming up quickly. So, thank everyone for watching. Have a great day.